This creamy muddled lemon cocktail uses Licor Beirão and fresh cream. Makes one serving and takes about 10 minutes to prepare. Intro. Half a lemon cut into 4 wedges. 6 fresh mint leaves. 1 tablespoon of superfine sugar. 2 ounces of Licor Beirão. 1 ounce of heavy cream. 1 cup of crushed ice. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a coupe glass in the freezer to chill for 5 minutes. Cut half a lemon into 4 wedges on a clean board. Place the lemon wedges and 1 tablespoon of superfine sugar into a sturdy mixing glass. Muddle the lemon and sugar firmly for 20 seconds to release the juice and oils. Add 6 fresh mint leaves to the mixing glass without tearing the stems. Gently muddle the mint for 5 seconds to release aroma, but do not overwork it. Pour 2 ounces of Licor Beirão into the mixing glass. Add 1 ounce of heavy cream to give the cocktail a silky texture. Add 1 cup of crushed ice into the mixing glass to chill and dilute slightly. Transfer the mixture to a cocktail shaker, seal, and shake vigorously for 10 seconds until well chilled and slightly creamy. Remove the chilled coupe glass from the freezer and fill it halfway with crushed ice, then double strain the cocktail into the glass. Garnish with a mint sprig, serve and enjoy. Serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this creamy muddled lemon cocktail, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get new recipes. Cheers!